I'm reminded of Thomas Alva Edison, a very great scientist of North America. He discovered many things. He was a man of concentration. When he was discovering any object, when he was trying to understand something about, when he was in his discovery, he was not thinking of anything else. A pure man of concentration. It happened once. The wife of Thomas Alva Edison one day entered the room with breakfast and saw Edison is working on some object. He is very concentrated. Even he could not realize his wife coming in with breakfast. And wife thought, it would be not good to wake this man up, to bring this man here. He is lost, he is concentrated. If I will disturb him, he might get very angry. No one knows where that person is. And to bring that person here can annoy him. He is on a journey, and you might not know where the journey, where that man is. It could irritate. So she just placed the plates of breakfast in front of Edison's bench where he was working. And she went out. Soon after that, one of his friends dropped in. He also saw Edison was working, Edison was concentrated on some subject. He also did not want it to disturb. He sat down and saw that breakfast is getting cold. So he thought, it might anyway get cold, so why not I eat it? He was sitting and eating, and Edison was even not aware that this friend is there, what he is doing there. He was so concentrated. The subject was so absorbing. He did not know anything about what's happening around. Friend finished his breakfast and was waiting that let Edison come back from his journey. He was just sitting and waiting, was thinking, I will give him a surprise, that I am here. I was watching you, I was seeing you. Edison returned from his concentration, saw his friend and saw the empty plates, and told to his friend, oh, I'm sorry, You came little late. I have taken my breakfast. Obviously, plates were empty. Breakfast was eaten, and who else have eaten? He might have eaten. He told, sorry you came little late. I had my breakfast. The friend was shocked. He wanted to surprise, and he got bigger surprise that you came late. Wife came from inside, she was watching all. She told, no, he did not come late. I had seen. I did not wanted to disturb. You were so concentrated on your some matter. So I put the plates here of the breakfast. Your friend came in, ate it. You did not eat it. He has eaten. And he was waiting that you will be awake, you will be here in your normal senses. It was anyway getting cold. I was watching, he is eating. And it's better, somebody eats it. But I was seeing everything. He did not come late, you have come late. You are some kind of scientist, I don't know how you manage your science. A pure example of concentration. And it's not only that in West people they misunderstand this with meditation. They mix it with meditation. Also in East. Also in India, sometimes meditation is misunderstood as a concentration.